Hi everyone, I'm Robin Chen. I'm in Taichung Hardware Show. Today I would like to introduce our product, infrared and scope. Special for use in enforcement, customs, and security. It's very lightweight, lights illuminate on darkness or small box. Let me introduce and demonstration for you. This is a small box. It means that we can see very lightweight and can see inside. Moreover, we design our products to make a rotation, turn left and right side 180 degrees. It means you can go straight, left and right sides. Whatever you use, you can see that. You can see very clear image inside a box. Finally, every supplier can do endoscope, but few of them do the infrared endoscope for using inspection on darkness. It's very best solution for you to check and inspection on darkness. Do you have any comments or inquiry? Please link our website to get more information at www.penrico.com.tw. Thank you very much, everyone.